Hey guys, somebody on Reddit asked the question 4 days ago and I wanted to answer this question. So let's take a look here on the screen, if I can figure out how to do this. So subject Tiger9031 has a post called C1 Close Deletions for Notion to Anki. Thanks for this amazing platform. I'd really like a feature where every single close I make in Notion using Control plus E becomes a C1 close instead of increasing with each close C1, then C2, then C3, etc. Not sure if this feature has already been implemented or not. After importing my decks from Notion, I have changed all closes in Anki to C1 manually. Would really love if there is a quick solution for this. So yeah, thank you for calling the platform amazing. It still has a lot of flaws and we're gonna make it even better. Hopefully it's gonna become really smooth when the Notion API comes. So you can already specify which close deletion is which. We used to have these emoji numbers where you would say 1 and 1, then those would get C1. But we removed support for that because it was very unreliable. So you can use the regular Anki syntax where you specify which number it is and then your close and then optionally a hint. So let's take a look at how we can do that. So here we're going to create the toggle where we're going to use the Albanian flag and we're going to say the capital of Albania is Tirana. And what we want to do is we want to group these two, so Albania and Tirana. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the curly brace C1 colon and close it there. We can also optionally add a hint, which we can just do right now, just to use up all of this space, and then mark this and then hit Command E. So it's gonna mark it as a code block, and this is the syntax in Anki. So do the same thing here and the numbering, right? C1, so they belong together. And here we can use another hint, we'll call that city and then mark it. So bam, let's export that. There, it downloaded the file. We'll head on over here to Notion to Anki. Let me close this notification. And let's pick this there, looks correct. And then hit the convert, then download. Open it up in Anki, we get one node created, and let's take a look at it. And it says the capital of country, that's our hint, right? You remember? We created a hint here and here, so it's using that. The capital of country is city. And if we look at it, we get that revealed. Cool. So I hope that answered your question, subject Tiger9031. Unfortunately, there's no easier way currently. We might come up with a better way in the future. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to suggest them in the comments in the video or on Reddit. I'll probably get a notification when you reply. So yeah, happy learning and until next time. Bye.